Hey guys, Coach here with this week's Plant of the Week. This one is not going to be for everybody, but if you're looking for something that could be put in a foundation bed, something that is industrial strength, can handle hot and cold. We're talking zones Arctic, zone 3, all the way down to zone 9. Check out the spring Cinquefoil bush, also known as Potentilla. There's a couple different varieties. This one here is the little pot of gold, and one that's right next to Maestro is the Limelight variety, which is a little more of a creamy flower with a yellow center. Potentilla is great as far as in between in a foundation bed, something tall in the back, Potentilla in the front, and then a perennial or something down border-wise. But you can also plant it on its own as well. It tends to bloom throughout most of the growing season. When it's an evergreen, so it's going to keep its leaves all year long, and it starts to set blossom within just a few weeks of new spring growth. Potentilla doesn't require a lot of food, and it does not like to have soaking wet feet. So you don't need, once this thing is established, unless you're in a multi-month, multi-year drought, very seldom will you have to water it. Pretty good for some of you, huh? Potentilla, also known as Cinquefoil. You can ask for it by name. Many places in the northern nurseries know it very well. And if you have any questions about it, put it in the comments below. Thank you very much. Give me a thumbs up. I hope I can get a subscription from you, and I'll catch you on some of the other plants of the week and the educational part of this channel. Bye for now.